Welcome to Class 6 English Reader Chapter 2. The Magic Pearls. The Magic Pearls, a story of Hindu mythology, is all about a princess. The king puts a difficult condition for the princess to marry Renuka, his daughter Swamvara. Let's read the story to know about how a prince married the princess. Many years ago, there was a king named Ronak Singh who ruled over a small kingdom. His daughter Renuka, who was his only daughter, she was very beautiful, kind, and generous. She was also a great athlete, that is, she was good in sports. Nobody could beat her in a race. The king was proud of his daughter. In course of time, Renuka grew up to be a beautiful young lady. Now the king and the queen began to think of her marriage. Ronak Singh decided to marry his daughter to the prince who would beat her in a race. So the king asked his minister to make an announcement informing everybody about his decision, that anyone who beat his daughter in a race can marry her. The news spread far and wide, and many princes came to win her hand. However, none could beat her in the race, and therefore went back disappointed. But one day, the young and handsome prince of a neighboring kingdom came to the capital of King Ronak Singh. He had also heard the king's condition about his daughter's marriage. The prince went to the king's court and expressed his desire to marry Renuka. The king liked the young prince but told him that he could marry Renuka only if he beats her in a race. He would then gladly allow her to marry Renuka. The prince agreed and a date was fixed for the competition. The prince was a great devotee of Lord Shiva, so early morning he went to the temple. That was an ancient temple of Lord Shiva. He worshipped him with a great devotion and begged for his blessing. Lord Shiva was much pleased with his devotion, so he appeared before the prince and blessed him for his victory. Then he gave 3 pearls to the prince and said, "Princess Renuka is much fond of pearls. Keep these pearls, and when she runs past you, throw one of these pearls on her way. When she stops to pick up the pearl, you at once run faster and overtake her." The prince bowed before Lord Shiva and came out. So here Lord Shiva gives him blessing, as well as he gives 3 pearls, because here Renuka was very much fond of the pearls. So to beat her in the race, Lord Shiva blessed him with 3 pearls. So on the day of the competition, there was a large crowd gathered to witness the race. So as soon as the race began, Princess Renuka got ahead of the prince. So what the prince did, he threw one pearl on her way, and he himself continued running. The princess was astonished. She was so surprised because she was so much fond of that pearl. So when she saw the beauty and the size of the pearl, she stopped to pick it up. The young prince got time to run past her, but the princess was a very fast runner. Soon what she did, she overtook him and got ahead of him. This time the prince threw the second pearl on her way. Once again she stopped to pick up the pearl, and the prince again went past her. But this time Renuka ran faster than before and soon came just beside the prince. The target was quite near. The prince had now only last spear. So the prince threw the last spear in front of her and continued running even without looking back. Renuka thought that she could win the race very easily, even if she picked up the pearl. So she once again stopped to pick it up. But this time she proved to be wrong, and the prince reached the victory spot before her. Everybody was happy at the outcome. They clapped with joy and cheered the young prince. Renuka was happily married to the wise and handsome prince, and in this way Renuka and prince got married. Now here are some home assignments for you all. Question answers. Question number 1. Why was the king proud of his daughter? Answer. The king was proud of his daughter because she was beautiful, kind and generous. She was also a great athlete and no one could beat her in a race. Question number 2. What was the condition that the king put in front of the princess who wanted to marry Princess Renuka? Answer. The king put the condition that any prince who beat the princess in a race would marry her. Question number 3. Where did the young prince go in the morning of the racing event? Answer. The prince went to an ancient temple of Lord Shiva, worshipped him and begged him for the blessings. Question number 4. How did Lord Shiva bless the young prince? Answer. Lord Shiva blessed the prince with 3 magic pearls. Question number 5. What thought came to Princess Renuka's mind before picking up the last pearl? What was the result? Answer. The princess thought that she would be able to win the race even after picking up the last pearl. The result was that the prince reached the victory spot before her. So what you do is you can write down all these question answers in your CW copy. Second, with the help of a dictionary, find out the meanings of the following words. So use the dictionary and find out the meanings of these following words. Number 1, generous. Number 2, maiden. Number 3, disappointed. Number 4, handsome. Number 5, desire. Number 6, devotee. Number 7, appeared. Number 8, astonished. Number 9, outcome. Here is one more assignment, that is tick the correct option. Here with the help of the story you can find out the answer and write it down in your copy. Fill in the blanks with suitable words given in the box. So here options are given already, so you can see there whatever or whichever word is suitable to that, you can write it down in the following sentence. So whatever home assignments are given, you write it down in your CW copy and complete it.